gosh. I need to eat this really fast because I have to leave in like 30 minutes. I'm just gonna be honest, this cereal kind of tastes like medicine mixed with chocolate. Kind of gross, but it's also kind of good. Finn, he is crazy. I have a ratchet cat. You can't climb on my counters. I love these hair, skin, and nails gummies. You could never go wrong with a good hair, skin, and nail gummy. You know what I'm saying? I was eating that cereal and honestly, I just couldn't do it. Like, I really want to like that cereal, but I just can't. I don't know if it's the soy milk, because they usually don't have soy milk, but milk actually really grosses me out. So I'm not buying milk anymore. I'm trying other things. Could be the soy milk, also could be the weird cereal. I'm gonna eat these bar bites and finish up my makeup. Probably only gonna have like 2, just to kind of get me going. So I'm gonna drink this during the workout. Okay, I do that all the time. Okay, in you go. I am dead. I drank this entire water bottle. Oh my gosh. Did my first SoulCycle class ever with Mackenzie, and I forgot to vlog with her, but here's the Insta story. I'm so sweaty right now. The instructor was so motivating. It was such a good time. SoulCycle, I understand now. I understand why everyone freaks out about it. It's so much fun. You work your arms too, you work your abs, and of course your legs and your butt. So it's like a full body workout and it's really awesome. Wish I could have recorded something because this is also like a get fit with me. It's basically a very intense spin class. It was a great thing to do on a Monday. Great way to start my week. I think I'm gonna find a Trader Joe's and go there because I need to get some chicken for dinner tonight. Sorry, this is like shaking a lot. Hey, buddy. Okay, so I just got home from Trader Joe's Petco because I needed to get him an automatic toy for while I'm gone. He doesn't stop doing this. So really excited, got him some new toys. Vince, stop! I got this for tonight's dinner and just a bunch of other things I'm really excited about. Right now it's 12:42, so it's really late. I haven't eaten in so long, so I am absolutely starving. Definitely time for lunch, so success. He likes it. Just made my avocado toast. It may look simple and also kind of gross, but it's not. I used Dave's Killer Bread, organic good seed bread. I used this mock butter, I guess you would say. It's just like a spread that tastes like butter. I used 1 avocado. Then I actually poured some pepperoni juice on it, which may sound really weird, but where I'm from in Oregon, there's this place that has the best avocado toast. They put some kind of pepper juice on it. I only had pepperonis, I didn't have the ones they use, but it still smells exactly the same and I just love spice. So it adds a lot to the avocado toast. So you guys should totally try it if you like spicy things and want a little extra flavor because it's so good. So I really hope this turns out well. And then I put some lemon pepper on top. I ate all of the avocado toast. I'd give it probably like an 8 out of 10. I totally forgot to say that I'm also drinking this water. I always drink Dasani because it's my favorite. I just hate California water. I'm a water snob, really though, because water in Oregon tastes like this out of the faucet. So good. Leave me a comment if you eat your kiwis the same way I do, because Dylan doesn't. I haven't met anyone else that does. So how do you eat your kiwis? I'm actually really curious. So it's now 3:46, which is so late. I've been editing for so long. I'm just craving chips and salsa. I got both of these from Whole Foods. I've never seen these brands before. They look slightly healthier. They probably aren't, but I'm craving these. So yes, very excited. Isn't it good?
It's bellissimo.
Dylan's here.
Dylan's here.
Finn's here. as always, sitting on the counter. I really can't stop him. I'm really enjoying my chips and salsa. Ooh. Mmm. Third bottle of the day.
Good job, babe. I'm so proud of you. I'll take that.
That's mine!
Wait tonight.
No! So what's the plan? I'll see you the next time I'm eating. It's now 5:36, which is dinner time. He's working on a drawer set and he finished that one, which is really exciting. I'm gonna put my makeup in it. This is what I have for dinner. I'm gonna mix these 3 on a pan and then I'm gonna make these for the side. I mean, it looks pretty good. You got some potatoes, peppers, some rice, some chicken, and some greens. And of course, we're gonna have some water on the side. This is the last thing I'm gonna eat today. It's really, really good. So I just cut up some strawberries and put some Nutella on the side, and this is my dessert. And we're watching The Bachelor right now. We love The Bachelor, don't we? We love it. Okay, that's all. Little change of scenery. We're in LA. I just wanted to end my what I eat in a day. I thought I would do it now because no time like the present. I have my camera and I'm just walking around, so I thought why not end this video now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I post videos every single Friday. And if you watched all the way to this point, I want you to comment
Hairballs. No, wait.
What?
Wait. Comment your favorite flavor of mochi.
Okay, that's a good one.
Mine is green tea, everybody.
Mine
Mango.
is this house. Mine is strawberry. Like this video if you want to see more what I eat in a baby. Like this video if you want to see more what I eat in a day / get fit with me videos.
Guys, can we get 20,000 likes on this video?
You're done, babe.
Come on, guys. We can do it. Come on, we are Mckeen strong. Make a babe army. Where you at?
Oh my gosh. Shout out to the McBabe of the week. I think that's all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too fast. I fall in love too terribly hard.